So 2012 Acadia door panel, door removal. So I got the doors got smashed, and it was from a 2012, and then I got the doors from a 2008, and the speakers were different, and the mirrors are on this one, it was painted to match, and on the other one they're black. And then just a couple little things. It didn't have the Bose stereo. I didn't think it would matter. I plug in the thing and I get an airbag light. The door doesn't recognize it's closed. Just weird stuff. The window switch doesn't work anymore, even though they look exactly the same. So now I'm going to take the door panels out and then swap these harnesses. So this is for the different mirrors. Since the mirrors don't work, I'm going to look at these and make sure that they're the same wires. And if they are, I don't have to get a new mirror. So I'm going to take out all this stuff. Take out this. And then take out this is where the main hookup is. And actually these are like the easiest hookups for the doors. It's like you just put it in when it's down and then push it up to lock it in place. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna to get this door panel out, the lock switch goes here. This is the lock switch. So if you pull this up enough, you're gonna see that little hole, and then you just push on that little hole and wiggle and pull it up, and then you'll be able to unscrew it. It'll unscrew out of there, and then you pop this little panel off. There's one T-bit behind there. You pop this off, there's two T-bits behind there. And then you start at this left corner, taking it off right here. You pop this out, and then you just go around popping the pins around the door. And then when you're taking it out, just be careful and make sure you're looking at these. These are like those GM door clips, and you just want to keep them intact. Okay, yep. So I'll be doing that, and I'll film some more. And then to remove the door handle, all you do is there's two, you push these in so it fits in there, this little hole. You push those tabs in and you pull it out. Sorry. You push those tabs in, you pull it out, and then you release the pressure, and then it just comes up. Pretty simple.